Part 2 school. We got a lot of buildings down. I can see some paper in the back, some tarps in the back where they've got some problems there. DMB produce doesn't look too bad. Here's cotton. Has not been picked, but it looks like it has. Looks like the picker's been through it. It's all on the ground. Oh, gracious. Cotton on the ground. Airport, got a lot of damage. Got some planes flipped over. Some planes damaged. This is where 115 mile an hour wind was recorded around, it was around 5:30 on the hurricane. Got a building there. Hangar. Top off that hangar, there's a plane that's been blown over into the fence right here. Crop duster plane. Yep, stuck on the fence. There's a little plane flipped somewhere. Don't see it. Oh, there it is out there. Upside down. Brad's plane. Looks okay from here. We'll see.